Actually, nag-start ako sa Unisilver Jewelry. So, doon ako start as IPC, year 2004. And then after 1 year and 4 months, bigla akong tinawag nung pinaka-boss ng Unisilver Jewelry. So, sabi niya magtatatag sila ng isang company which is Unisilver Time Watches. So, watches sabi niya, and kung willing daw ba ako lumipat. So, since bago lang naman ako sa jewelry, so sabi ko, why not? Bakit ko i-try? So, nag-oo ako kay Sir King actually. And then, ang sabi ko nga sa kanya, hindi ko talaga makalimutan yun. Sabi ko sa kanya, Sir, in case ba na hindi mag-workout tong company na bago, pwede ba ako bumalik sa jewelry? Ang sagot niya is, no. Diba? So, but true to his words, Unisilver Time is now 20 years, so diba? So, yun yung, doon ako nag-start. Yun yung start ko sa Unisilver Time. So, and then, ako yung pinaka-unang-unang employee. Kami nagsimula. So, from scratch talaga, from everything, from preparing, lahat, from packaging, opening ng shops, and everything, lahat talaga, sinimulan namin. Unforgettable moments ko with Unisilver Time is yung nung nag-start pa lang talaga kami na nag-start kami sa maliit na room, which is ang capacity lang nun is 5. So, kasama namin sa room yung president namin and yung vice president namin. And then, there's this one time na nagmi-meeting kami. Actually, meeting mo is, ganyan ka lang, ayan na sila eh. Kasi magkakatabi kami halos sa table. So, there's this one time na nag-uusap si Elsie and si Sir Albert. And since si Sir Albert kasi, yung pinaka-boss namin is Chinese. So, at first kasi talaga, the way na magsalita siya is yung very slang. Diba? So, may mga hindi naintindihan. So, nag-uusap sila ni Elsie and may mga hindi naintindihan si Elsie. So, every time na nag-meeting sila, yung paa ni Elsie nakaganyan sa ilalim ng to signal me na, hey, you listen ka ha. Or yung pag hindi ko naintindihan yung sasabi ni Sir, nandiyan ka, to explain. Yun yung funniest moments na together talaga with Elsie na hindi namin makalimutan talaga. Actually, hindi ko na alam kung bakit umabot ako ng ganito katagal. No? Kasi, syempre, at first talaga, nandun yung ilang beses ko na rin gusto mag-resign, pag nahihirapan ako sa work, ganyan. But, na-overcome ko yun eh. So, sabi ko, dito ako na-plant na nigahan. So, sabi ko, lahat ng mga challenges na darating, talagang, even if hindi na scope ng work mo, talaga with Unisilver Time is, talagang kailangan pag-aralan. So, dito talaga sa Unisilver Time is parang yung with regards to growth, talagang binibigyan kanila ng yung chance ba to grow yourself. Binibigyan kanila ng opportunities to learn more. Na whenever you make mistakes also, they don't treat it as a problem. Parang they also think of a solution every time. They help you for the solution. They don't blame you. We are not perfect talaga. There are times talaga na nagkakamali din tayo sa work. So, ayun. So, also, yung samahan, yung relationship mo with your colleague, talaga, nandun yung respect and yung trust din with each other. And also, yung parang they treat you as family talaga, yung mga kasama mo dito. Talagang kagandahan dito sa Unisilver Time talaga is, they treat you talaga as family. Yung management itself, yung during, extended actually, it's not only you, but extended sa family mo, sa lahat, sa family mo talaga, yung nila, yung love nila. Pinaparamdam talaga nila na every time that you encounter any events sa life mo talaga, nandyan sila. So, they're more of family. Parang hindi ka na tinitreat as employee lang, but as a family. So, ang advice ko lang for you to stay sa company talaga na matagal. First is, mahalin mo yung work mo. Kasi, if hindi mo gusto yung ginagawa mo, hindi ka masaya sa ginagawa mo, parang, pumapasok ka everyday, pero again sa gusto mo, parang ang bigat mag-work, diba? But, kahit gaano kahirap yung work, as long as mahal mo, gusto mo, ginagawa mo, lagi ko nga sinasabi dun sa sa mga ini-interview ko pag ganyan ng mga bagong staff na hindi naman kailangan na ayoko na magaling. Ayoko na magaling na magaling. Ang gusto ko is willing matuto. So yun. So willing, as long as willing ka matuto and open ka for more opportunities, more very flexible. Yun yung lagi kong inaano talaga. Proper communication talaga, which is very important talaga. So, as an employee, if you have some ideas, try to share it. If there's a problem, talk about it. Diba? Kasi, sometimes, we have different perceptions. Diba? Isa. So, dapat, as long as there's a problem, talagang kailangan pag-usapan. If you have some ideas, share it. So, at least there's a constant communication every time that you misunderstandings, kailangan talaga pag-usapan. Yun yung isa sa pinaka-importante talaga din sa company. Another tip is work as a team. So, kasi you are here as you are working here, may mga team goals kayo. So, dapat you should collaborate and support each other talaga. Wish ko for this company to grow more para mas marami pang employee, para mas marami pang matulungan ng company. Tulad ko. Blow ko na?
Opo.
Yay! I'm very proud of you. Thank you so much. Ay, ganun pa. Nakuha mo yun? Gusto ko yun.